Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial video for you guys, and I just want to basically show you guys how to use your primary PS5 account with your DualSense controller via Remote Play app. Okay, so before we get into this video, I just need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification and make sure you guys share my video, okay, for others so they can see exactly how this is done as well. Okay, so right here I have my Tab S7 Plus right in front of me, and there's my DualSense controller. My PS5 is currently on right now, so because I was just playing Remote Play. So we're going to click on the game launcher right here. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to slide this up right here. Right here, as you guys can see on my screen, I have all of my gaming apps right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on PS5, the Remote Play thing. So, okay. And let me show you guys. So right here, that's my secondary account. Right here, that's my secondary account that I'm signed into. And I'm gonna press right here to connect to the Remote Play. As you guys can see, it's currently searching. Okay. Searching for connections. Okay. May take a few minutes to find connections. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah, yeah. All right. And I'm connected. So as you guys can see, I'm using my controller and I am on my primary account. And as you guys can see, I could use my controller. I actually turned off the sounds, so that's why you guys can't hear it, because I didn't want the sounds to like be over my voice while I'm recording. But yeah, that's how you do it. Let's see. I was just playing this, as you can see. Pretty cool, right? Backstep. So I can't really do much because not only am I recording, but I'm also holding my phone in the other hand and whatnot. I don't have a tripod, plus I'm on my bed. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to use your DualSense controller on your primary account via Remote Play, in case you were wondering. So, you know, when you're at home, you don't have to use the Bluetooth one. All you have to do is have a secondary account, sign into that secondary account on your Remote Play app, and turn on your controller and use your controller for your primary account, and you guys should be good. It's that simple. So once again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, share my videos. If you're interested in purchasing this the Tab S7 Plus, I'll put a link down in the description so you guys could pretty much check it out. Because maybe you're also interested in using Remote Play, because you know sometimes you don't want to sit in front of that big screen and stuff. So I'll post a link to purchase this this tablet, and I'm using my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to record. But once again, thanks for watching. You guys have a good day. I appreciate you guys, and take care. All right, peace out.